Long time no see, Ka. Hi, Ka. Morning, world. We're back in Singapore. Right, Kami? Right, Kami? Finally back from Nepal. Woo, can't wait. So much better than Hong Kong food, to be honest. Oh yeah, local food, definitely the best. Still feel so sleepy today though. But it's good to be back.
Yay!
But so warm and humid.
Yeah.
My lips are cracking. Beer. We are at Vivo for dinner. I'm gonna meet my parents for dinner. Playing Pokemon. Eat Daniel Wellington. Look, I have nothing against you as a person if you buy a Daniel Wellington, but you're obviously... My pasta's not here yet though. Damn it! Pardon the short vlog content day today. Yeah, we'll be back to our regular scheduled programming tomorrow. That is coming. I missed this girl so much when I was in. Of course, she had the whole bit to herself when I was away. And yeah, so come on, don't do that. See you guys. Naughty one. Yeah, so see you guys tomorrow for a regular day in, day out work vlogs. Yeah. Catch you guys tomorrow. Bye bye.